Hello everyone, I am Samir. Today I am installing this Clean Spa Easy Handheld Bidet. For this process, we only need one adjustable wrench and the clean plumbing tape. Let's begin. Turn off the water and disconnect the pipe from the tank. There's some water over in the tank, so you want to put some cat's ball below it. Usually this is the plastic ball. It's very easy to remove. You don't need any tools for it, just tight. Remove it. There's some water. Now, and this is the T-bulb. It has an on-off switch over here, and this one goes to the tank over here. Tie to the hand and use adjustable wrench to tie it properly, but don't go too crazy on it because the plastic things, you don't want to mess up the thread on the plastic. It might lose the water, so be careful on it. After you tie the top part and the bottom, the pipe comes from the water hose, which one we removed earlier from the tank. The plastic cap one goes there. But I like to put, because this one is old one, so I like to put some the thread locking tape on it, and then I tied this one with hand tied. Let me do it. I'm gonna show you. I put some thread locking tape, so now I'm gonna put this one and tie it with my hand. Now we connect the top part with the tank, bottom part with the hose with the water, the regular water supply. The leftover, the last one, I already put the plumbing tape on it. And on this side goes the hose come with the kit. So there's two different sides on the side and the face. So this one is a long part, so we need a short part. This one has a cap on it. Just take the cap out. Make sure the washer is not missing over here. You need this washer. So let's see, this part is perfectly fit over here. Hand tight and give one more quarter turn with the adjustable wrench. You want to make sure in the last the water is leaking or not, so don't go too much crazy right now. Now after I connect the three part, the top part goes with the tank, the bottom part goes with the water supply, and this is the on-off switch for the bidet, and this part is the hose go connect to the bidet, and other side of that hose is look like this. It's a long side. For this one, you take it out of the cap. You take the cap out, and to take these things out, it's very easy. Just rotate it, and it's gonna come off. And this side is going to connect with the bidet head. For this one is the same thing. You just twist it, and it's gonna come off. Now this two part is going to be connected. I am like to use some thread, the plumbing thread over here. This is a plastic thing, you may not need it, but I like to put some so water is not going to escape that easily. And this is how it look after you connect the pipe. Make sure you are not going to use any tools to connect this part. You're going to use your hand, a little strong, not even any wrench, anything, because this is a really shiny part with the plastic things. If you put any tools, it's going to give you the mark and you may miss the thread. So make sure you are using your own hand. In this hanging kit, you will see the difference. So this part is outside. So you turn other way, face down, this line up and put over here, line up it and connect with this one, drop from the top and the bolt goes down and tied up. So after you connect these two pieces from here, it's like this. This one is opposite side from this part. Now you're gonna open the tank hair cover and this part is gonna go hang like this. Let me do it. I'm gonna show you on the mat. It's hang like this. And the bite itself goes still like this. And put the cover back. It's look like this. Now go and turn the water on back and check for the all connection you make it, water leak or not. That's all. You connect the handle pipe. Thank you for watching.